For years, the City of Murray has envisioned a connection between Main Street, where it ends south of 4500 South, and Cottonwood Street, where it ends at Vine Street at approximately 50th South. Now, with the vision of a new city center district taking shape, the connection of Main Street and Cottonwood Street has become an important part of Murray's vision for the future.
Our downtown is such an important area of our community, and making efforts to improve and enhance the downtown is our goal in the upcoming years. We are focusing our redevelopment and economic development efforts on an area we are calling the Murray City Center area. We are proposing zoning changes to generate redevelopment in order to create an area with greater density that is a civic and cultural center for our community.
To determine the best route to take to make the connection, the City of Murray, UDOT, and the Federal Highway Administration are conducting an environmental study to examine alternatives and determine which will best serve the transportation needs of the city. The study is a 14-month process that started last September and is scheduled for completion later this year. Tonight, you'll be asked to examine 7 different alternatives and express your opinion on which of the alternatives best serves the transportation needs of the community. The transportation objectives are: 1. Improve connectivity and reduce travel distance between the city's future city center district and the Intermountain Medical Center, tracks light rail stations, and a future front-runner commuter rail station, the Fireclay development, neighborhoods on Box Elder and Hanauer Street, and the more than 100 businesses in the study area. 2. Improve access to commercial properties in the Murray City Center District. 3. Provide a safe, comfortable, and pleasant cycling and pedestrian route between major destinations. In evaluating each alternative, the study team is taking into consideration impacts to neighborhoods, historical properties, noise, pedestrian safety, and how best to enhance traffic movements in the study area. Let's take a closer look at the alternatives. After this presentation, you'll have the opportunity to carefully examine each alternative and to ask questions of project staff. Alternative 1 is a 3-lane roadway along the existing Box Elder Street alignment, with widening to the east side of the Box Elder residences. A majority of the homes on the east side of Box Elder would be relocated with this alternative. Alternative 2 is a 3-lane roadway along the existing Hanauer Street alignment, with widening on the west side of Hanauer Street. A majority of homes on the west side of Hanauer would be relocated with this alternative. Alternative 3 is a one-way roadway pair, also known as a couplet, using the existing Box Elder and Hanauer alignments. This alternative stays within the existing rights-of-way for most of the residential area and has the least amount of relocations. Alternative 4 is a 3-lane roadway along the new alignment that runs between Box Elder and Hanauer Streets. Several property relocations would be required with this alternative. Alternative 5 is a 3-lane roadway that runs along the east side of the railroad tracks with impacts to the commercial district. This alternative would require a bridge at 4500 South and would impact the railroad tracks. Alternative 6 is a 3-lane roadway that runs along the west side of the railroad tracks with impacts to the commercial district. This alternative would require 3 new bridges, 1 at 4500 South and 2 over the railroad tracks. Alternative 7 is a 3-lane roadway that runs between Box Elder and Hanauer Streets. This alternative would require several property relocations. For more detailed information on each of the alternatives, please visit the Alternatives display station at this open house. The study team plans to determine a preferred alternative this spring and recommend to the Federal Highway Administration which alternative best fits the transportation needs of the area. Information about the right-of-way or land acquisition process is available at this meeting. See a project staff member for more information. Design and construction funding for this project has not yet been identified. The City of Murray does not expect construction to occur in the next 5 years. However, if funds become available, the project could be advanced. Thank you for your attendance this evening.